Hey gals and guys, welcome back to the Big Sweep. I'm so excited for today's video because we're about to unlock 10 miraculous ways to transform your bathroom using hydrogen peroxide. That's right, this simple household staple is about to become your new best friend when it comes to your bathroom. We're talking sparkling grout, gleaming fixtures, and a freshness you can practically bottle. So grab your cleaning supplies, put on your rubber gloves, and let's get ready to banish those bathroom blues together. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find these tips helpful. Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off with one of the most dreaded bathroom cleaning tasks, grout lines. You know, those little spaces between your tiles that always seem to attract dirt and grime like a magnet? Well, fear no more because hydrogen peroxide is here to save the day. And the best part? You can use it all on its own, no fancy mixtures required. Simply grab an empty spray bottle. I like to reuse mine to be kind to the planet and fill it up with some good old hydrogen peroxide. Or even better, put a trigger sprayer on the original bottle so it's protected from the light and it won't break down so quickly. Now generously spray those grimy grout lines, making sure to really saturate the area. Let it sit and work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the hydrogen peroxide time to break down all that stubborn dirt and grime. While you're waiting, you can put on your favorite playlist and get pumped for the next step. Once the time is up, grab a stiff bristled brush. An old toothbrush works wonders here, and give those grout lines a good scrub. You'll be amazed at how easily the dirt lifts away, revealing bright, clean grout underneath. Finally, rinse the area thoroughly with warm water and voila! Say goodbye to dingy grout lines and hello to a sparkling, clean bathroom floor. Let's tackle another bathroom essential, the toilet bowl. This DIY cleaner using hydrogen peroxide and baking soda will make it a breeze. It's super satisfying to see your toilet bowl go from blah to brilliant. Mix 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide with half a cup of baking soda. Pour this mixture into your toilet bowl, coating the entire surface. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Then, scrub with a toilet brush. Your toilet bowl will be sparkling clean and fresh. Now that our bathroom is smelling fresh and looking clean, let's move on to those mirrors and glass surfaces. We want to see our sparkling reflections, right? The good news is, hydrogen peroxide is amazing at cutting through grime and leaving a streak-free shine. First things first, dilute your hydrogen peroxide with water. I like to use a 1-to-1 ratio, but you can adjust it depending on how dirty your mirrors are. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Again, I love to reuse mine. Now give your mirrors and glass surfaces a good spritz, making sure to cover the entire area. Next, grab a microfiber cloth. These are the best for a streak-free finish, and wipe your mirrors and glass in a circular motion. Don't be afraid to apply a little bit of elbow grease to those stubborn toothpaste splatters. Once you've wiped everything down, step back and admire your handiwork. See? Crystal clear reflections and sparkling clean glass. Hydrogen peroxide really is a miracle worker. Chapter 4. Disinfect and shine, your bathroom sink's new best friend. Our bathroom is really starting to shine. But we can't forget about another important area, the bathroom sink. It's a breeding ground for germs and bacteria, so we need to make sure we're giving it a good clean and disinfection. Luckily, hydrogen peroxide is here to save the day once again. Simply pour some hydrogen peroxide directly onto your sink, making sure to cover the entire surface, including the faucet and handles. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to work its disinfecting magic. While you're waiting, you can take a little break and admire your sparkling clean mirrors. After the time is up, grab a sponge or cloth and give your sink a good scrub. Pay attention to the areas around the drain and faucet, as these tend to harbor the most germs. Once you've scrubbed everything down, rinse the sink thoroughly with warm water and dry it with a clean cloth. And there you have it, a sparkling clean and disinfected bathroom sink. Chapter 6. Mold and mildew, be gone. Conquering shower tiles with hydrogen peroxide. Now it's time to tackle another common bathroom foe, mold and mildew. These pesky critters love to lurk in damp, dark places like our shower tiles, but don't worry, hydrogen peroxide is here to banish them for good. Pour undiluted hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle. Remember, we're reusing and recycling. Now generously spray your shower tiles, focusing on any areas where you see mold or mildew. Don't be shy, really saturate those areas. Let the hydrogen peroxide sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour, giving it plenty of time to work its magic. The longer you let it sit, the better it will be at killing those pesky mold and mildew spores. After the waiting game, grab a scrub brush and give your shower tiles a good scrub. You'll be amazed at how easily the mold and mildew come off, revealing clean, sparkling tiles underneath. Finally, rinse your shower thoroughly with warm water and voila! Say goodbye to mold and mildew and hello to a fresh, clean shower. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more amazing cleaning hacks. Chapter 6. Whiten and Brighten. Transforming your bathtub with hydrogen peroxide. Our bathrooms are looking amazing, but we can't forget about the bathtub. Over time, bathtubs can become stained and discolored. But don't worry, we have a secret weapon: a hydrogen peroxide and cream of tartar paste. This powerful combination will lift stains, whiten your tub, and leave it sparkling clean. To make this magical paste, simply mix together equal parts hydrogen peroxide and cream of tartar in a bowl. I like to start with half a cup of each and adjust as needed. You want to create a thick paste that will adhere to the surface of your bathtub. Once your paste is ready, apply it generously to your bathtub, focusing on any stained or discolored areas. Let the paste sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour, giving it time to work its magic. While you're waiting, you can relax and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. After the waiting game, grab a sponge or scrub brush and give your bathtub a good scrub. You'll be amazed at how easily the stains lift away, revealing a brighter, whiter surface underneath. Finally, rinse your bathtub thoroughly with warm water and voila! Your bathtub will be sparkling clean and ready for a relaxing soak. We're almost done with our bathroom deep clean, but we can't forget about the details. Our toothbrush holders often get overlooked, but they can harbor a lot of germs and bacteria. Luckily, hydrogen peroxide is here to sanitize and disinfect. Simply fill a small bowl or container with hydrogen peroxide and submerge your toothbrush holder completely. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes to an hour, giving the hydrogen peroxide plenty of time to kill any germs and bacteria. While you're waiting, you can give your toothbrush a good clean too. After the soaking time is up, rinse your toothbrush holder thoroughly with warm water and let it air dry completely before putting your toothbrushes back in. And there you have it, a clean and sanitized toothbrush holder. Chapter 8. Banish bathroom odors. Freshening your trash can with hydrogen peroxide. Our bathrooms are looking and smelling amazing, but we can't forget about the source of many unpleasant odors: the trash can. Luckily, hydrogen peroxide is here to neutralize odors and leave your trash can smelling fresh and clean. First, empty your trash can and give it a quick rinse with water. Then, pour a generous amount of hydrogen peroxide into the bottom of the trash can, making sure to coat the entire surface. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour, giving the hydrogen peroxide time to work its magic. While you're waiting, you can tackle another cleaning task, or just relax and enjoy the fresh scent of hydrogen peroxide. After the waiting game, rinse your trash can thoroughly with warm water and let it air dry completely before putting in a new trash bag. And there you have it, a clean and odor-free trash can. Chapter 9. Sparkling clean and germ-free, disinfecting doorknobs and light switches. We're almost done with our hydrogen peroxide bathroom makeover, but we can't forget about those high-touch surfaces, doorknobs and light switches. These areas are touched by everyone who uses the bathroom, so it's important to keep them clean and disinfected. Luckily, hydrogen peroxide is the perfect solution. Simply spray some hydrogen peroxide directly onto a clean cloth or paper towel. Then, wipe down your doorknobs and light switches, making sure to cover the entire surface. Let the hydrogen peroxide sit for a few minutes to disinfect, then wipe away any excess with a clean cloth. And there you have it, sparkling clean and germ-free doorknobs and light switches. Chapter 10. Freshen up your shower curtain with the power of hydrogen peroxide. Our bathrooms are practically sparkling, but we can't forget about one final detail: the shower curtain. Over time, shower curtains can develop mildew stains and unpleasant odors. But don't worry, hydrogen peroxide is here to save the day. Simply fill your bathtub with warm water and add 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide. Give it a good swish to mix it in. Now, take down your shower curtain and submerge it in the hydrogen peroxide solution. Let it soak for at least an hour, giving the hydrogen peroxide plenty of time to work its magic. While you're waiting, you can give your shower curtain liner a good clean too. After the soaking time is up, drain the bathtub and give your shower curtain a good rinse with clean water. Hang it back up to dry completely. And there you have it, a fresh and clean shower curtain. Today on The Big Sweep, you've learned about 10 ways to transform your bathroom using the power of hydrogen peroxide. Who knew this simple household staple could do so much? Make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest cleaning hacks. Leave a comment below and tell us which hack is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks, and I hope you're as amazed by the results as I am. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.